Now, let's talk about the big news. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to borrow some of the finest features from the exclusive Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. If you missed out, this special edition was released in select Asian markets with top-of-the-line specs, and it has definitely set the bar high. Engaging animation features highlight. But wait, what's in store for the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Bigger and better display. Expect larger screens for an immersive viewing experience that will make you want to ditch your tablet. 200-megapixel main camera, yes, you heard that right. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is finally catching up with the Galaxy Ultra line, allowing you to capture your moments in stunning detail. Enhanced performance. With a faster chipset, likely the Snapdragon 8 Elite, this will be a powerhouse right in your pocket. Improved cooling. A larger vapor chamber means better heat management during those heavy-duty tasks. Superior audio experience. The improved speakers will ensure that your media consumption is as captivating as ever. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. But that's not all. We've got the Galaxy Z Flip 7 launching alongside it. While the Flip 7 specs remain somewhat mysterious, we're anticipating some exciting surprises that will keep the competition on its toes. Camera. Here's the deal, these new foldables are expected to drop in Q3 this year. So, whether you're looking for enhanced performance, better cameras, or just a sleek, innovative design, Samsung seems to be ticking all the right boxes. Galaxy Z Fold 6 and competitors. Now, let's compare the Galaxy Z Fold 7 with its predecessors and competitors. Last year, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 hit the market in July, but it looks like the Z Fold 7 might follow in August, keeping us all on the edge of our seats. Comparisons. The competition, especially from Chinese manufacturers, has been pushing the envelope in terms of thinness and weight. We're hoping Samsung addresses this with a lighter and slimmer Galaxy Z Fold 7 to stay ahead in the game. Talking on camera. But what does this mean for you? Well, if you're someone who loves having the latest tech with top-tier features, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a strong contender. The combination of a bigger screen, enhanced camera, better cooling, and improved audio means you'll have a device that's not only powerful but also versatile. Possible scenarios: work, entertainment, photography. Picture this, you could be using the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for work, making the most of its large screen for multitasking. Or imagine capturing breathtaking photos with its 200-megapixel camera while on vacation. And let's not forget the enhanced audio experience when you're binge-watching your favorite series on the go.